Here we will enter account name, link to your organization you'd like to. I'm not going to connect this because I have various clients here. So you put a name in, you're going to click next. We have property details, we have the property name. Right now we want to create a Google Analytics. Okay, you could look at advanced, but it's not really doing anything. We want to create a universal property, put website name in. Let me look closer, make sure that's correct. Double check. Okay, yep. Click next. We'll put small. If you're a new company, I check everything because I want Google to keep an eye on everything I have going on. In the meantime, I go create. I click I accept. This is the terms and conditions. I'm familiar with them. It is customer data, their GMC, the home, the software properties, data, profiles, how they use it, your servers, SDKs, software, everything that belongs to Google. I accept. Okay. Page will come up with my view tag. I get the tag information. That will be your user info and everything. So I get my tag info. Install manually. Now I'm going to show you different ways to install it, but for now we're just going to copy and I'm going to put it on the website manually. So what I'm going to do is connect to the website by HTML, click OK. Actually, I shouldn't have hit that. Pardon me. Just going to write that back out the way. Come over here, Notepad. It would have been the last index I touched. Here we go. Beautiful. I'm in the top. I already have for the Google's AdSense, but I need to put now listen. So I just copy, paste, Control S. I throw it in the top. Usually want it to the top. Okay. Come over here. It's notice this change. Do I want to upload it? I say yes. It's going to upload it. I'm going to minimize while it does that. Once it's done, I'll do a quick refresh on it, even though it's fast. It should refresh it automatically. Let's transfer that. Minimize. And back over here. The files are transferred successfully. Let's come over here. Now, because it wants to see if it can connect. So now you need to see if it can connect. Hold on. So my screen is. Let's get this fixed. There we go. So let's get out of here for a second. I want to reload it one more time. Okay. So we're going to close this and see over here if it's going to tell me if it's received any data. But right now, it's probably not. Here we go. Now it's opened up properly. Beautiful. Alright, so I'm going to go over to the website and try and see it. Hold on, let's get out of here. Sorry, hit the let me look. See if you see that anywhere. Okay, there we go. Alright. Yeah, what I'm gonna do now is to make Control Z. I don't want to do that. Let's just do it the normal way. Nope, that's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for page depth. Alright, so I want to make sure it's there, but the fastest way for me to pull it would be, there we go, page depth. Which I'm very big on pagespeed.web.development. Okay. Sorry. Let's see, here we go. Is that it? Yes, there we go. Let's analyze. And when this pulls it in, what occurs now is it's going to show me the tags in the page. In CSS, not really the tag, it tells you everything it runs through as far as the map. So it gives you an idea if it's recognized and so forth. So rather than me go through the whole hassle of confirming, it's when it analyzes the website, it will pull it through and show me that, which lets me know it is updated. It's just Google currently not updated itself. All right, now that's AdSense website. Here we go. Analytics. So so yeah, I got some performance to work on. I might have to check the true light. No, I'm not true light, the light speed. 1 second. Meantime, I'm trying to find analytics. Where are you hiding, Mr. Analytics? Alright. So one page analytics. So it's gotta be over here. Okay. Yes, that's what we're looking for right here. And currently I'm the only active person. Get me? Moves fast, moves quick, activated. There we go. So, at this time it's 7:30 in the morning. Well, 4:30 Pacific Standard if I'm looking at the other clock. And beautiful. Got it done. I hope this has been able to help you understand. Now, as far as reports, we'll take a quick browse through since this is a new setup. You usually want to create some insights so you get an idea of bounce pages. I say create everything. You don't need to review. They'll give you a basics. Then you have, it'll tell you demographics shortly and your times, which sucks. This is the, but this will be moved to a new account. And we're not pulling. So this gives you an idea. This is user acquisition, traffic. This is going to be where you can, the previous page was where you can determine your lifetime value for your customers. So hold on. You can check your engagement, conversions, the pages people choose to go to, your retention, how long you keep them, and so forth. I hope this has been helpful. I'm going to take you over to one that's active in another video so you can get a good idea. But since this is just a new setup, this was just to show how to set it up real quick the fastest way. All right. Two views. So actually I have let's see. Alright. And it tells you where it's coming from. So we know everything is complete. I hope this has been helpful. Thank you. I think, let me see if I can see the button correctly. There we go.